Ready?
Go!
I think I did a good one. Ah, thank you. I think this one was much better. The whole better, I don't know, but it felt good. It felt very good. Fingers crossed that was the one, because this one felt very good. Especially like around the corner, I was on it, so I have a good feeling. Alright, well, that's a wrap. That's a wrap for the day. That was like crazy 9 runs, not even 8, it was 9 runs when you do the reruns. So what a blast. It was such a joy to be here. Again, well done, PADA, for a very smooth and enjoyable event. We need more of those, definitely. So guys, kudos to you guys. What a blast. Alright, until next time, ciao.